warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ricky Ricardo, and 2331155. Here I will explain a little material regarding data collection technique quiz. Data collection technique quiz are arithmetical methods used to gather information for analysis and decision making. These techniques can be broadly categorized into qualitative and quantitative approaches. Qualitative methods, such as interview, focus group, and observation, aim to capture in-depth insight and understanding of complex phenomena, while quantitative methods include surveys and experiments focused on numerical data that can be statistically analyzed. The choice of technique often depends on the research objective, the nature of the data required, and the research available. Effective data collection not only enhances the reliability and validity of research finding, but also inform better strategies for addressing specific question or problem in various fields, from social science to market research. Types of data collection techniques. Data collection techniques are reserved for gathering information that can inform research and decision making process. These techniques can be classified into two main categories: primary and secondary data collection. Primary data collection involves obtaining original data directly from source through methods such as surveys, interviews, observation, and experience. For instance, surveys can be conducted only or fetch to gather quantitative data from a large audience, while interview provide qualitative insight through direct conversation with individuals. Observation allow research to gather data on behaviors, nature, setting without interference, and experiment enable the manipulation of variable to analysis cause and effect relationship. Each of these methods has its strengths and weakness, making them suitable for different reason, objective, and context. On the other hand, secondary data collection anticipates existing data that has been previously gathered by others for different purposes. This method is often more cost effective and time effective as it allows analyzing publishing sources such as academic journals, government report, and only database. Secondary data can provide value and context for research, but might not always align perfectly with specific research question. Advantage and disadvantage of its technique. As data collection technique offer distinct advantages and disadvantages that researchers must consider when designing their studies. Primary data collection methods, such as surveys and interview, provide the benefit of collecting specific, tailored information directly relevant to the research question. This direct engagement with participants allow for a deep understanding of their experience and perspectives, particularly through qualitative methods like interview and focus group. Additionally, primary data is often more current and can be collected in real time. Anything is relevant, however, these methods can be time consuming and constantly require significant research for planning, executing, and analysis. Furthermore, there might instead be based on how questions are framed or how participant respond. In contrast, secondary data collection techniques offer several advantages, including cost of effectiveness and efficiency. Researchers can access a wealth of information from extensive sources without the need for extensive field work. Saving time and research, this method is particularly useful for longitudinal studies or when exploring trends over time in historical data can provide valuable context. However, secondary data also has its drawbacks in much not perfectly alike with the specific need of the current research question, leading to potential gap in information. Additionally, the quality and reliability of secondary data can vary significantly depending on the source, with nature careful evaluation to avoid drawing Mercer constantly. Balancing this advancing and disadvantage is crucial for research to select the most appropriate the collection techniques for their studies. Step in data collection. The process of data collection involves several critical steps that ensure the inquiry and reliability of the information gathered. The first step is defining the research objective, which involves or collecting what the researcher aim to achieve through the study. This includes formulating specific research question or hypothesis that guide the data collection process. Once the objectives are established, the next step is to select the appropriate the collection methods, whether qualitative, quantitative, or a combination of both. Researchers must consider factors such as the target population, available research, and the nature of the data required when choosing their methods. After selection the methods, research procure to develop the data collection instrument such as questionnaire or interview guides. This step requires careful design to ensure the questions are clear and biased and capable of eliminating the necessary information. Following this research, conduct a pilot test of their instrument of identity any issue and make a necessary adjustment once finalized data collection can begin, involving actual individuals participation to serve interview or other cost methods. Finally, of other collection data in the institute organization and analysis it's ultimately to draw meaningful conclusion and insight that align with the original research objective. This integrated Pro help ensure that the data collection is both relevant and reliable for information decision making. Data collection techniques in various fields. Data collection techniques are tailored to the specific need and context of various fields, and scoring techniques such as surface, interview, and observational studies are also to understand pattern experience treatment effectiveness, and healthcare practice. For example, surveys can assess patient satisfaction, while interview provide deeper insight into an individual health journeys. In the business sector, market research often employs focus group, only surveys, and B. Testing to talk across consumer perfection and updates product or marketing strategies. Focus group facilitate discussion that reveal customer attitude will online survey allow for broad quantitative data collection. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.